Question number 1. A colorblind man marries a woman with normal eyesight who has no history of colorblindness in her family. What is the probability of their grandson being colorblind? 0.25, 0.5, 1, nil. Correct answer is option B, nil. Question number 2. Polysome is formed by ribosomes attached to each other in a linear arrangement, several ribosomes attached to a single mRNA, many ribosomes attached to a strand of endoplasmic reticulum, a ribosome with several subunits. Polysome is formed by. The correct answer is option B, by several ribosomes attached to a single mRNA. Question number 3. The most popular known blood grouping is ABO grouping. It is named ABO and not ABC because O in it refers to having. Option A. Overdominance of this type on the genes for A and B types. One antibody only, either anti-A or anti-B on RBC. No antigen A and B on RBC. Other antigens beside A and B on RBC. Correct answer is option C. No antigens A and B on RBCs. Question number 4. Genetic material found in human immunodeficiency virus is double-stranded RNA, single-stranded RNA, double-stranded DNA, single-stranded DNA. Correct answer is option B. Single-stranded RNA. Question number 5. If a child is O blood group and his father is B blood group, the genotype of father is IOIO, IAIB, IOIB or IOIA. Child is O and father is B. Correct answer is option C. The father's genotype is IOIB. Question number 6. A colorblind man marries a daughter of colorblind father. Then in the offspring, all the sons are colorblind, all the daughters are colorblind, half sons are colorblind, no daughter is colorblind. Man is colorblind who is marrying a daughter of colorblind father. The correct answer is option C. Half of the sons are colorblind. Question number 7. In eukaryotic cell transcription, RNA splicing and RNA capping takes place inside nucleus, dictyosomes, endoplasmic reticulum or ribosomes. Correct answer is option A. They take place inside the nucleus. Question number 8. In Antirrhinum, two plants with pink flower were hybridized. The F1 plants produced red, pink and white flower in the proportion 1:2:1. What could be the genotype of two plants for hybridization? Option A. Capital R, capital R. Option B. Capital R, small r, capital C. Option C. Small r, or option D. None of these. Correct answer is option B. Capital R, small r. Question number 9. The lac-operon consists of 1 regulatory gene and 3 structural gene, 2 regulatory gene and 2 structural genes, 3 regulatory gene and 3 structural genes, 4 regulatory genes only. Correct answer is option A. 1 regulatory gene and 3 structural genes. Question number 10. A cross in which an organism showing a dominant phenotype is crossed with the recessive parent in order to know its genotype is back cross, test cross, dihybrid cross, monohybrid cross. Correct answer is option B. Test cross. Question number 11. Satellite DNA is useful tool in organ transplantation, sex determination, forensic science, genetic engineering. The correct answer is option C. Forensic science. Question number 12. Gel electrophoresis is used for isolation of DNA molecule, cutting of DNA into fragments, separation of DNA fragments according to their size, construction of recombinant DNA by joining with cloning vectors. Gel electrophoresis is used for. Correct answer is option C, for the separation of DNA fragments according to their size. Question number 13. Which of the following had the smallest brain capacity? Homo sapiens, Homo neanderthalens, Homo habilis, Homo erectus. The correct answer is option C, Homo habilis. Question number 14. In sea urchin DNA, which is a double-stranded DNA, 17% of bases showed to be cytosine. The percentage of other three bases expected to be present in this DNA are. The options are given. The correct answer is option B. G would be 17, adenosine would be 33, and thymine would be 33%. Question number 15. Which one of the following pairs of items correctly belong to the category of organs mentioned against it? Wings of honeybee, wings of crow, homologous organs, thorn of bougainvillea, tendrils of cucurbita, analogous organ, nictitating membrane, blind spot in human eye, vestigial organ, nephridia of earthworm, malphizian tubules of cockroach, excretory organs. Correct answer is option D. Nephridia of earthworm and malphizian tubules of cockroach, both are excretory organs. Question number 16. A nucleoside differs from nucleotide in not having phosphate, sugar, nitrogen base, phosphate and sugar. Correct answer is option A, phosphate. Question number 17. Which one of the following scientist's name is correctly matched with the theory put forth by him? Mendel, theory of pangenesis; Weismann, theory of continuity of germplasm; Pasteur, inheritance of acquired traits; De Vries, natural selection theory. Correct answer is option B. Weismann gave the theory of continuity of germplasm. Question number 18. What is true about the isolated small tribal populations? There is no change in population size as they have a large gene pool. There is a decline in population as boys marry girls only of their tribe. Hereditary diseases like color blindness do not spread in isolated population. Wrestlers who develop strong body muscles in their lifetime pass their character to their progeny. Correct answer is option B. There is a decline in population as boys marry girls only from their own tribe. Question number 19. Which ratio is constant for DNA? The ratios are given in the options. Which of these is constant for DNA? Correct answer is option A. A plus G is to T plus C is a constant ratio for DNA. Question number 20. In the DNA molecules, option A, there are two strands which run anti-parallel, one in 5' to 3' direction and other in 3' to 5' direction. The total number of purine nucleotide and pyrimidine nucleotide is not always equal. There are two strands which run parallel in 5' to 3' direction. The proportion of adenine in relation to thymine varies with the organism. In DNA molecule, which of the following statement is correct? The correct answer is option A. There are two strands which run anti-parallel, one in 5' to 3' direction and other in 3' to 5' direction. Question number 21. Which one of the following conditions in human is correctly matched with its chromosomal abnormality? Down syndrome, 44 autosome plus XO. Klinefelter syndrome, 44 autosomes plus XXY. Color blindness, Y-linked. Erythroblastosis fetalis, X-linked. Which of the following condition in human is correctly match with its chromosomal abnormality. Correct answer is option B, Klinefelter syndrome, 44 autosomes plus XXY. Question number 22. Haploids are more suitable for mutation studies than diploids. This is because all mutations, whether dominant or recessive, are expressed in haploids. Haploids are reproductively more stable than diploids. Mutagens penetrate in haploids more effectively than diploids. Haploids are more abundant in nature than diploids. The correct answer is option A. All mutations, whether dominant or recessive, are expressed in haploids. Question number 23. Which one of the following pairs of nitrogenous bases of nucleic acid is wrongly matched with the category mentioned against it? Adenine thymine purine, thymine uracil pyrimidine, uracil cytosine pyrimidine, guanine adenine purine. Wrongly matched. Correct answer is option A, adenine, thymine, purine. This is wrongly matched. Thymine is a pyrimidine whereas adenine is a purine. Question number 24. Phenomenon of industrial melanism demonstrates geographical isolation, induced mutation, natural selection, reproductive isolation. Correct answer is option C. It demonstrates natural selection. Question number 25. ABO blood grouping is controlled by gene I, which has 3 alleles and shows codominance. There are 6 possible genotypes. How many possible phenotypes are there? 3, 4, 5 or 6? The correct answer is option B. There are 4 possible phenotypes. Blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. Question number 26. Sickle cell anemia is caused by substitution of valine by glutamic acid in the beta globin chain of hemoglobin, caused by change in single base pair of DNA, characterized by elongated sickle-like RBC with a nucleus, and autosomal linked dominant trait. Sickle cell anemia is. Correct answer is option B, caused by a change in single base pair of DNA. Question number 27. Whose experiment cracked the DNA and discovered unequivocally that a genetic code is a triplet? Hersey and Chase, Morgan and Stuart Wendt, Beadle and Totten, Nigerberg and Mattei. Whose experiments cracked the DNA and discovered unequivocally that a genetic code is a triplet? The correct answer is option D, Nirenberg and Mattei. Question number 28. Which one of the following does not follow the central dogma of molecular biology? P, Mucor, Chlamydomonas or HIV? Which of the following does not follow the central dogma of molecular biology? The correct answer is option D, HIV. Question number 29. The cutting of DNA at specific location became possible with the discovery of ligases, restriction enzymes, probes, selectable marker. The cutting of DNA at specific locations became possible with the discovery of. Correct answer is option B, restriction enzymes. Question number 30. Which of the following biomolecules does have a phosphodiester bond? Nucleic acid in a nucleotide, fatty acids in a diglyceride, monosaccharides in a polysaccharide, amino acid in a polypeptide. Phosphodiester bond. Correct answer is option A. It is found in nucleic acids in a nucleotide. Question number 31. The term linkage was coined by W. Sutton, T. H. Morgan, T. Boveri, G. Mendel. Who coined the term linkage? Correct answer is option B, T. H. Morgan. Question number 32. Gene regulation governing lactose operon of E. coli that involves the LAC-I gene product is negative and inducible, because repressor protein prevents transcription. Negative and repressible because repressor protein prevents transcription. Feedback inhibition because excess of beta galactosidase can switch off transcription. Positive and inducible because it can be induced by lactose. Gene regulation governing lac operon of E. coli that involves the LAC-I gene is. Correct answer is option A, negative and inducible because repressor protein prevents transcription. Question number 33. The thermostable enzymes TAQ, TAC and PFU isolated from thermophilic bacteria are RNA polymerases, DNA ligases, DNA polymerases or restriction endonucleases. Correct answer is option C. They are DNA polymerases. And where are they used? They are used in PCR technique. Question number 34. The largest gene in man is insulin gene, tumor suppressor gene, beta globin gene of hemoglobin or dystrophin gene. Largest gene in man is. Correct answer is option D. It is dystrophin gene. Question number 35. Which one of the following statements about the particular entity is true? Gene for producing insulin is present in every body cell. Nucleosome is formed of nucleotides. DNA consists of core of 8 histones. Centromere is found in animal cells which produces aster during cell division. Which one of the following statement about a particular entity is true? Correct answer is option A. Gene for producing insulin is present in every body cell. Question number 36. There is no DNA in mature RBC, a mature spermatozoa, root hair cells and enucleated ovum. There is no DNA in. The correct answer is option A. There is no DNA in a mature RBC. Question number 37. Synapses occurs between mRNA and ribosomes, spindle fiber and centromere, two homologous chromosomes, a male and a female gamete. Correct answer is option C, between two homologous chromosomes. Question number 38. Change in number of body parts is called continuous variation, discontinuous variation, meristic variation or substantive variation. Change in number of body parts is called. Correct answer is option C, meristic variation. Question number 39. What is not true for genetic code? It is nearly universal, it is degenerate, it is unambiguous. A codon in mRNA is read in non-contiguous fashion. Not true for a genetic code. The correct answer is option D. A codon in mRNA is read in non-contiguous fashion. This is incorrect. Question number 40. Theory of continuity of germplasm was propounded by Mendel, Lamarck, Weizmann, Haeckel. The correct answer is option C, Weizmann. Question number 41. Origin of life occurred in Precambrian, Cenozoic, Paleozoic or Mesozoic era. The correct answer is option A, Precambrian. Question number 42. Which one of the following represents a palindromic sequence? There are 4 sequences of the DNA given in 4 options. Which of these represents a palindromic sequence? Correct answer is option 4. 5' to 3' it is reading as GAATTC, and on the counterpart from 5' to 3' again it is reading as GAATTC. So it's a palindromic sequence. Question number 43. What is it that forms the basis of DNA fingerprinting? The relative difference in the DNA occurrence in blood, skin and saliva, the relative amount of DNA in ridges and grooves of fingerprint, satellite DNA occurring as highly repetitive short DNA segments, The relative proportion of purines and pyrimidines. Basis of DNA fingerprinting. Correct answer is option C. Satellite DNA occurring as highly short, repeated short DNA segments. Question number 44. Darwin finches are good example of industrial melanism, connecting link, adaptive radiation, convergent evolution. Darwin finches are good example of. Correct answer is option C, adaptive radiation. Question number 45. Read the following four statements from A to D. In transcription, adenosine pairs with uracil. Regulation of lac operon by repressor is referred to as positive regulation. The human genome has approximately 50,000 genes. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease. How many of the above statements are right or are correct? 3, 4, 1, 2. How many of these statements are correct? Correct answer is option 4. 2 of the above statements are correct. Question number 46. Mendel's findings were rediscovered by De Vries, Coren, Treschemark or option D, all of above. The correct answer is option D, all of above. Question number 47. A test cross is carried out to predict whether two traits are linked, to assess the number of alleles of a gene, to determine whether two species or varieties will breed successfully, to determine the genotype of a plant at F2. Test cross is carried out to. Correct answer is option D, to determine the genotype of a plant at F2. Question number 48. The theory of use and disuse was given by Stebin, Lamarck, Aristotle, Vavilox. Theory of use and disuse of organ was given by. Correct answer is option B, Lamarck. Question number 49. Which is the most common mechanism of genetic variation in the population of sexually reproducing organisms? Most common mechanism of genetic variation. Chromosomal aberrations, genetic drift, recombination, transduction. The correct answer is option C, recombination. Question number 50. A somatic cell that has completed the S phase of its cycle as compared to gamete of the same species has same number of chromosomes but twice the amount of DNA, twice the number of chromosomes and 4 times the amount of DNA, 4 times the number of chromosomes and twice the amount of DNA, or option D, twice the number of chromosomes and twice the amount of DNA. The correct answer is option B, twice the number of chromosomes and 4 times the amount of DNA.